Hello traders. Today is the 3rd of February 2025, first trading day of the week. What a blessing beginning of the week, guys. Amazing analysis, amazing trade. Let me share with you how we analyze the market today. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar as mentioned on Friday to my traders, the price respected. You can see here third touch and we have a bearish engulfing candle was developing it. So most of the traders was already holding it short from Friday. This morning, the squeeze, most of them hit their target. Even London morning session, we had this beautiful. Once the price broken, we had this short trade here, and once the price hit to the profit target, we also had a counter long trade here, and we were expecting possibility price might going to respect, but price continue. We have market nicely covered this gap. So let's see tomorrow if the price is going to respect or it is going to break. Current candle is not finished yet. If I see the candle close above this level, then possibility might gonna hit this level. All right, so let me share with you how we analyze the market today. So first of all, we had it a beautiful short trade even from Friday, even market open. We had this beautiful short trade. That was the basically gap, but most of the traders was holding this short. As I said to you guys, price developed double bottom here. It's time to consider bank some profit and let's let the price develop another structure. So we have another one pretty standard and straightforward. We were price nicely broken as mentioned here. We analyze the market in more detail and give the confirmation. If you look at here, the price previously respected here and price develop a false breakout. So you're expecting might be a pullback or safest way let the price break. So we can see here price broken. Even after the breakout, price retest give us the confirmation another pullback. As soon as the price hit the support level, suggestion consider banking some profit. All right, so after this one, once the price develop a counter opportunity, then we start counter analysis, which is a pretty straightforward as you can see here. So technically based on the price action, we were expecting a pullback here. So you can see a price nicely develop or the retest twice. That's what I explained. Look for pullback. That was a beautiful pullback. After that breakout is performed, pullback. So then basically we explain just keep taking any pullback towards the momentum and towards the trend. So that was a beautiful counter long trade. We had it, and afterwards, more likely we had all of them was counter long trade here. So you can see a pretty straightforward, and the price nicely respected. And as explained, let the price break the structure, then look for the opportunity. You can see here the price nicely broken. After the breakout, price give us the confirmation. Momentum was bullish. Beautiful long trade here. We have another pullback as soon as they hit the profit target. Explain, consider banking some profit, and afterwards we explain. Let's look for another pullback. That was the beautiful trade here. Another pullback, which is you can see a safest trade. Let the price break previous high. Even the data is released for the dollar, but the data was good for the dollar. But as explained, my trader just trade what you see and not what you think, and don't be try to confuse because make your trading very simple. Trade what you see. It's simple. So we had this beautiful breakout. Even after the breakout, price nicely developed pullback. As soon as the price is respecting this level, suggestion consider tightening your stop loss. That was a beautiful analysis again. All right, let's look at the pound yen. So pound yen, we had amazing trade, guys, too. As you can see here, pretty straightforward. Price nicely respected, as explained. So we were expecting a price action here. Price default false breakout. We had this short trade here. We also had a couple of short. We once we see the price respected this level, so we had a also long trade here. We also had this counter long trade here, by the way, then later on short, then later on long, because being an intraday we look at the price action, any structure develop, within the structure we manage very decent profit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. Okay, so if you look at the pound yen, so just okay, let's look at the pound here. So pound yen, okay, this was a pretty straightforward. You can see here, of course, the gap we did not trade, and or European session. You can see here we had this beautiful, um, as mentioned here, let the price break, and after that pull back. So you can see here, price nicely broken. Price already developed low high, and that's a good sign of continuation to this direction. But we need a valid technical entry. Price nicely broken and retest. Another pullback. Consider hit to the profit target, first target. consider banking few pips. And afterwards we have another analysis, long trade here, because we can see a price energy respected first time. So we had it another long trade here that was a pretty straightforward. As you have seen a previous analysis, as soon as the price hit, impulsive reaction. As if the price cannot break, then possibility of long. You can see here price first price nicely respected, and you can see especially when the price retest develop double bottom, high probability trade, momentum was bullish, beautiful long trade here, squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. That was a beautiful trade. We had another one once the price hit in 4 hour, as you can see here, this area. So we had, a short trade here, then long trade here. Let me share with you guys how we had it. Short trade at this level. So that was the pretty straightforward, as mentioned here. Price action, beautiful price action details we have given through live audio commentary as well. Price nicely break and retest, or safest way, let the price break this. So we mentioned here false breakout. While the price is here, let the price break, and safest way, let the price break and give us the confirmation. So you can see here, have price broken. After the breakout, price retest, pullback, pullback. We have another pullback, squeeze decent profit on this trade. All right, so let's move into the another one, which is again, uh, we had a counter long trade here. Once we see the price respected here, this area. So we had a counter long trade here. Let me share with you which one we had. Okay, so that was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, as price refused to stay below this level, develop a false breakout. Safest way, let the price break high, price nicely broken, hit to the fifth channel, consider few pp's. That was a beautiful long trade here. Afterwards, we also had another basically trader still holding long. We had a beautiful long trade here. So let me show you. This is the last trade and pretty standard and straightforward. You can see here, as explained, let the price develop another pullback. You can see here, and afterwards keep taking a pullback. That was a beautiful analysis in pound yen. And the last one, just to show you, is the Euro USD. We all have all the analysis. We had it for all the major pairs. And Euro USD, we had a beautiful short trade in, and afterwards we had a long trade, especially when you see this rejection here many time, and bullish engulfing candle is developed. We had this long trade here. So we'll see if the price is going to hit this gap or not. And let me share with you the analysis. First, we had the Friday. That was a short trade here. And let me share with you guys. So first, this is a pretty straightforward short trade. Nicely, as soon as the price developed over bottom, if the traders have taken the short trade, suggestion was given, consider banking some profit. And afterwards, we have another a long trade here, counter long trade. You can see here price developer consolidation in 4 hour. We have this kind of price action. We had it once the price broken, and after that price broke and retest. As explained, keep enjoying pullback. So this was the last analysis we did at the New York session. Beautiful breakout, and after the breakout, we had a beautiful pullback low. All right, guys. I hope you enjoy all this analysis review. Most welcome. If you want to see in real time, join our fast growing trading community, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, guys. Until next time, all the best.